much they hold, what they look like. They're not the clear, hard plastic that I thought they were. They're more of like a milky, softer plastic. They're not brittle at all. The lids have 4 sides that snap on and off. And then they've got the seal on them to keep them airtight. We purchased a house when we moved. And I'm sorry, I can't put this back on. There we go. We purchased a house and we weren't sure how critter-free it was. So I wanted airtight containers for the house till we knew what was happening. And these have worked really well for us. I keep them out on the counter, as you can see. This particular one, they're all 4 the same size, but this one is holding over 2 bags of sugar, so over 8 pounds of sugar. So that gives you an idea of how much one might hold. You can also tell just by looking like the package of granola bars, you can see how tall they are. I mean, I know that it gives you measurements, but sometimes it's hard to tell, you know, how much will this hold. Will my stuff fit in it? Will it hold as much as I can hold it in there? You can see that the smaller, like granola bars, quicker, and that's like half the height of the container. So that should be an idea of how tall they are, how much they hold, what they look like, how they actually function. I like them. Well, like I said, they're not these solid, they're not these very crystal clear containers. There's more like really similar icers, like a milk kind of coloration, because they're a softer plastic. They're not hard, brittle, crystal chemicals. Hopefully they answers any questions you have. I would buy these again. As a matter of fact, I have lots more in a smaller size. So they are working well and they keep everything out and everything in.